I also, like, haven't seen very much buzz. Like, I
Mhm.
remember when we were young, it was, like, everything, like, The Hunger Games was huge. The Hunger Games was on the level of, like, Harry Potter and Twilight.
Mhm.
Like, it's wild that, it was, this older audience. Even, yeah, we went on a Monday, Tuesday night, but I almost think that the movie was a fan service, and I think, whatever. I mean, if it brings in new audience, that's awesome, but I don't
Yeah.
see a lot of, like, younger people, like, really getting into it the way the way we were getting into it when we were younger.